Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford GT, Dodge Viper, and Chevrolet Corvette. We'll dive into their unique characteristics, from engine configurations to overall driving experiences. Each car represents a distinct philosophy in American performance, offering different thrills for enthusiasts. We'll explore what makes each of these iconic vehicles stand out in the high-performance segment, helping you understand their core differences. Let's talk about raw power. The Ford GT's twin-turbo V6 delivers impressive acceleration and top speed, showcasing modern engineering. The Viper, with its naturally aspirated V10, offers a visceral, old-school muscle car feel. Meanwhile, the Corvette, especially in its Z06 or ZR1 iterations, pushes boundaries with incredible horsepower figures, often at a more accessible price point. Each car delivers exhilarating performance. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're super practical for keeping your fuel ready, just like these cars need their fuel. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond the numbers, the driving experience truly differentiates these machines. The Ford GT feels like a race car for the road, with exceptional grip and responsiveness. The Viper is a beast that requires respect, delivering a thrilling analog experience. The Corvette, particularly the mid-engine C8, offers a surprisingly refined yet potent driving dynamic, making it versatile for various conditions. Each car has a distinct personality. Visually, these cars are unmistakable. The Ford GT's sleek, aerodynamic form is a direct descendant of its racing pedigree, a true head-turner. The Viper's long hood and muscular stance scream American brute force, a design that's both intimidating and iconic. The Corvette, over its many generations, has consistently pushed design boundaries, culminating in its current exotic mid-engine layout. Each car carries a rich history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.